Hello viewers, in this video we will demonstrate how to calculate mean and standard deviation. Just for an example, we have taken 3 treatments control FCB1. Each treatments have 3 replicates and the protein contents of each replicate have been recorded. In order to calculate a mean, insert equal to sign and write average. Double click on average operation and select the 3 replicates values. For the other treatment, repeat the same process. To find out standard deviation, select the STDEV operation, double click it and select the 3 replicates values and press enter. Now from these mean values you can make graph having standard error bars. Thank you viewers for watching this video.